Yo, my name is Zosh.
Yo, it's Young Static.
What's cracking, guys? This is Christian from Honda Vlogs.
Yo, vatos locos. This is Lazymangarage. And you know who you're watching?
You're watching Lazymangarage. You're watching Lazymangarage.
And you're watching Lazy Man's Garage.
Lazymangarage.
There goes Louise. So what's your name again? Brandon. So this is Brandon's Integra. He's gonna get the head fully redone at SB Machine Shop. ITR. This is Brandon's. This is Brandon's Integra. Look at this. Look at how beautiful this thing is.
Holy shit.
Damn, you're blind. Granada black.
It looked like a fucking
Granada black pearl, right?
Yes, sir.
Body Club P1 Racing rims.
Actually, they're the Kosei K1, P1. Sorry.
And then it has drilled and slotted, drilled in the back. Carbon fiber wing that you can't see. Hold on, let me put the flash on. Carbon fiber wing in the back. That's Sadowski wing. Little kitty cat feet prints. That's a classic. C-pillar. The interior. I'm not trying to get all up in this business.
Bro, you can go. You see the shifter?
The shifter? No, I didn't see the shifter.
Go ahead in there, bro.
Get the shifter,
Don't worry
bro.
about it.
My man showed you it?
Oh, no fucking way.
Showed you. You're like, that's not yours.
No way. That's dope.
Oh, it was what, 40 bucks now?
Mine? The one I got mine for? A kid was selling the shift linkage for $10. It had it on the shift linkage. What? I was like, I'll give you 5. He was like, all right, cool. Sold me the whole shift linkage because it was blown. I just took the shifter, junked the shift linkage. It's a real.
It's right there still.
Yeah, it's
Integra, right?
Yeah, and it's a real one too because I looked up fake ones and there's no fake ones.
Yeah, there's no fake ones. I paid 150 for mine, so.
And I restored it too. Hold on, let me show you. Because it's not in the car.
I know, huh?
Which way do you put it on though?
What do you mean?
Like when you put it in the car, does this face you or does it go the opposite way?
I have it actually right in the middle, right there.
So like, because I've seen people like have it like this too.
Yeah, they put it the other way, or they put it like this sideways towards them. I don't know. I think it's cool. I think it's cool either the other way or like the way I have it normally. Any way you need to do it, I love it. I don't know if I should. What?
Head is off.
No, bro.
I'll pay you
I'm
off.
just kidding, bro.
It had a 124 psi on cylinder 4. 120. Asshole. 100.
120.
We had 120 psi on cylinder 4. And the head gasket was pretty bad.
From the store?
Anything?
Not anything.
Anything. It's my brother.
You want a soda?
Guys, make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. It's fucking 420 Blaze It, y'all. Yeah, let me get a large cock, please.
I'm sorry, I'm fresh out of that.
Okay.
Oh, you want a beer?
Let's see, where is it? Oh, yep, there it is. There, and there on the head gasket.
That video.
Does all this come with a car wash too?
It comes with a free engine degrease, that's for sure.
Oh, you're gonna. You said you're gonna do the block, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna degrease the block.
I ain't gonna. He has to do it, bro. That's Alex for you,
Yeah,
bro.
we're just gonna stick a lot of hose in there and fucking.
Just drain it out.
You just spray it. That's all.
It's another day. Let me show you what I'm doing. So, this Integra, pretty clean, right? You see, even has the original Integra hood bra. But this is the bad part. Yeah, I know. So I'm cleaning the block off, and so far so good. Letting the degreaser do its thing, just letting it chill and eat away at the caca. But this side got clean. That got really clean. All these plugs got clean. That plug right there looks brand spanking new. That has never been that clean before. And all this right here was covered in oil, including his intake manifold, which I'm cleaning off as well. So the head's at SB Machine Shop. It's going to get redone because he had a blown head gasket. So he needs to get new valve gaskets because he had I think in my last video I said, well, in the last clip I said 125 psi in one cylinder, which is not good. So, yep, I taped it off so that way no water gets in there when I wash it. And even if water does, we have the drain bolt undone. So if water gets in there, we'll just flush it out with more oil. And then Savasque, you know, a little bit of elbow grease. Before, last night, you couldn't even see that B20, but now you can. Look at how bad that grease is down there. It was way worse than what it was. But I'm going to get to spraying. Sprayed down. Everything's all sprayed. Look at that alternator. Look how clean that looks. Don't mind this. Don't mind that. This is all clean. The starter's clean. That's all clean. Look at that intake. I got his battery trays. I got used acid etching. It's called Clean Strip. I have a bottle over there. I'll show you guys later in a minute. But I have them up here ready for primer, then paint, because they look like ass, and I'm not gonna have that in this guy's car. Just for the record, I'm not getting paid for this. I just like cars that are taken care of. Like, he takes good care of his car, but like, as you guys can see, the outside, but the engine bay is just where it's lacking. So I have some black enamel paint. I was thinking about moving some wires out of the way and then like painting the bay for him, just to kind of make it look a little nice, you know, just scuff it up a little bit, throw some black enamel in there. Dries in 15 minutes just to give it a better look, because the outside, as you guys can see, looks really good, but the inside of the engine bay is not so good. Okay, so I've been painting, degreasing, cleaning, lots of things. So essentially what I'm going to do is paint this tower, and I'm going to do that one, clean that one up too. I just moved everything over, so I'm just going to spray like, and hopefully it comes out good. Spray down there, get it all nice and clean, you know. Kind of, you know, just kind of want to bring it back to its luster, because, you know, as you guys can see, it's not so great compared to like the rest of the paint of the car, you know. So I'm gonna be taping off this, and then as I tape that off, I'm gonna move everything over, tape up as much as I can, and probably just put a bag over everything here and just paint, because all I'm doing is just the area that you'll see. I'm not doing the whole shebang, because if I wanted to do the whole shebang, the whole motor needs to come out, and all this needs to be redone. This wiring is a mess. Young Static would fucking flip. So Alex is here, and we just got the crank off. I just dripped water on my phone. That's awesome. Just got the crank off, had to break it loose with that, and some feet power. What are you doing right now?
Taking off the timing cover.
Oh yeah. So we painted the bay and the radiator support. Looks a lot better than what it did. Painted the block. So he doesn't even know we did all this for him. So when he gets here, he's gonna be pretty ecstatic.
Did you see Static?
Did I say Static?
Did you see Static?
I said Young Static. Dude, I said Dana would have had a fucking nightmare over this shit. He would have looked at it and he would have been like, done, and walked right away. Right now he's taking off the cover. Careful, it's brittle.
I know, right? Not just that, but other shit hooking up on. Come with a little container and everything. Woo! Alright. Got the good shit right here, bro.
Open up the hood, yeah? Got you.
Yeah, so you can change it, because we already took off the water pump.
I know, that shit look
About
nasty.
the radiator, about the radiator.
You're gonna use that one then?
Yeah.
You gotta clean it out.
Oh, what? My hood opens now.
It's really fucking good, bro. Yeah, it makes you kind of want to eat more of it.
Wow, what the fuck? Bruh. I'm tripping right now.
Hopefully you keep your fucking engine bay clean now.
What the fuck? I'm shook. Wow. That looks nice as fuck, bro. Holy shit. Damn, it's fucking black again, bro. What the fuck? I'm tripping. Wow. I'm tripping, bro. I haven't seen this thing in forever.
It's actually repainted.
I know. I noticed.
And the radiator support is too.
Wow. Shit.
Just a little touch up, man. Nothing major. Like we took everything off, but
I know. It needs a
As
new
much
radiator
as we
support
could.
eventually. But that looks great. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys.
problem, man.
Not a problem, dude.
I appreciate you, man. More than anything, man. Fuck. I
So
can't.
if you
That
need
shit looks
anything,
banging,
where
though.
you going?
It does, hell yeah.
Damn.
Wait till it's
If
all
you need
together.
anything, where you going?
Did you already drop that off?
Lazyman's Garage.
Damn! Damn! Dude, you're still sweating from that hot sauce, dude.
Oh, it's fucking bald.
I have the camera now, so I'm just holding it.
Hey.
What?
Hey. So what'd you just get back picking up?
B16a?
Want to show the people what you got?
Yeah.
For your build, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But my girl got some pizza.
Oh, yeah, take her inside to go pee. So this guy on OfferUp was selling this B16a block for $100. And does it still spin? Sorry.
I had a Honda filter in it.
And he was selling this for $100. And I started talking to the guy, and the guy was like, you know what, man, if you can come before 8, it's yours. So Louise was like, say less. So I have B16A pistons for it with brand new piston rings. I'm going to take those off of OfferUp right now. But it's a B16A. Well taken care of. Let's see how I'm going to flip it around and see how the cylinders look. Okay. All right. It's a little rusty. It's probably been sitting outside for a while, but nothing a good honing can't do. So get it honed out, take it to SB, have it honed out, probably decked to make sure that it's nice and leveled. And then, yeah, have them slap in the pistons up in there and measure the chingas, the whatchamacalls, piston rings, and have it sitting there. So that way the piston rings are sitting in there and in its housing and everything's good to go. We could check out this water pump, see if it's actually salvageable. If not, then it's a no-go on that. Has a crank seal still in here, so that's still good. And it still has its oil pump too, so that's not bad. Oil pump has all the little doohickeys on it. Tensioner, you can get a new tensioner. I'd rather always get a new tensioner, but not bad for free. So it is what it is. On the back, he has his knock sensor. I have the box for that, or we can just bung that up. Yep. So he's good to go. That's going to wrap it up for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to smack that like button. Please make sure to subscribe for more content, because now we're working on this car. We have another motor built coming for Louise. We still have the CRX to work on and a whole lot more. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe and like the video, because it helps me out tremendously. If you guys need anything done for your motor, like we're about to send this bad boy out to, head on over to SB Machine Shop out here in San Bernardino. They build Bisimoto's motors. If that doesn't say anything, I don't know what will. If you guys need anything for your car, whether it's camber kits to suspension or more, Alma Motorsports in Montclair, California is your place to go. If you guys need anything for your hardware desires, whether for intake, exhaust, whatever, MPCmotorsports.com, use the code LAZYMAN and get 10% off your entire purchase. You can use the code as many times as you want to. Also, I partnered up with PLM headers, private label headers, and I can get 10% off on their sales right now. They have free shipping. Use the code 10KK and you get yourself 10% off of all their products. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.